Students, welcome back to science class, lesson 2, human body exercise. Today we are going to solve the further questions of our exercise. In the last 3 videos we have solved questions till 7, that is hot questions. Today we are going to start with question number 8. Label the parts of the respiratory system. To label the parts of respiratory system, let's see what are the different parts of respiratory system we have learned. See, here are the various parts of respiratory system: nose, mouth, trachea, or that are also called as windpipe, lungs and diaphragm. These are the different parts of our respiratory system. Here in the question we are supposed to label 3 parts of the respiratory system. 3 parts of respiratory system which we are supposed to write are at the top. What is that? It's a nose. Below that, mouth, and the pink color structure. What that structure is called as? That structures are lungs. Okay, so let's label the diagram. See, here we have labeled our diagram. The topmost part is the nose, then mouth and lung. Okay, now let's move to our next question. Our next question is life skills. Question number 9, life skills. It is important that we keep our body protected from germs and diseases. Which of the following will keep you healthy? And there are various options given to us. Very first option is running and playing. Second, eating only chips and burgers. Third, not opening windows of your room so that germs do not enter. Next, drinking lots of water. And the last one, doing yoga. Let's discuss each point again. Running and playing. Children, do you feel running and playing will keep us away from diseases? Running and playing are the kind of exercise. An exercise helps us to keep our body healthy. So, running and playing is the correct option. So, let's tick this correct option. Okay, so we have tick our correct option, running and playing. Next is eating only chips and burgers. Children, you might have learned in your last class that chips and burgers are the junk foods. Eating too many junk foods can harm our body. It is not healthy, right? So we should not eat only chips and burgers. Our meal should be a balanced. We should have balanced diet with fruits, vegetables, cereals and pulses. Okay, so eating only chips and burger is not the correct option. Next is not opening windows of your room so that germs do not enter. Children, is it good if we will not open the windows of our room to keep the germs out? No. If we will not open the windows, there will be no ventilation. Proper ventilation is very important because it gives us fresh air. We must open our windows so that fresh air will come in. Along with the fresh air, when sunlight enters our house, it acts like disinfectant, okay, and it kills the germs. So not opening the windows of room to keep germs out is not the correct option. Let's move to the next option, drinking lots of water. Children, when we drink lots of water, it helps us to flush out waste from our body. Therefore, drinking lots of water is the correct option. So let's take this option. Children, we must drink lots of water because water is a major component of our body. 70%, about 70% of our body is made up of water. Water is present in our body in the various form. Even our blood is having the major component, that is water. Okay, now last option, doing yoga. Children, yoga is a kind of exercise and it helps us to keep our body healthy, fit and fine. So doing yoga is the correct option. So let's take this correct option. So out of 5 options, we have ticked the correct 3 options. So to keep our body healthy, what we should do, or what is very important, running and playing, drinking lots of water and doing yoga. Okay, let's move to our next question. Next question is question number 11, across the boundary. And the question is, unscramble the letters to find the names of organs and write the correct answer. Okay, so first is ERTAH. Children, when we unscramble the letters, which organ we will get? This is the organ which help to pump blood in our body. So what is that organ? It's heart. Okay. Next one. Here we will just discuss first and we'll write the answers afterwards. Next are MSLESCU. Children, this is something which help us in the movement along with our skeletal system. So what are that? These are the muscles. Okay. Next, KYNDIE. Can you guess? This organ help us to get rid of waste. These are the organs which are present in a pair in our abdomen. So it is kidney, okay, which filter our blood and remove waste in the form of urine. Next, GNLUS. This organ help us in respiration. This is the major organ of respiratory system. This organ is also act as the excretory organ and it removes carbon dioxide as waste. So what is this? These are lungs. Next, RBNIA. The hint for this is it is master of our body. It controls all the organ systems and it is this organ is brain. Okay. Next and the last one, HCTSOMA. Children, this is the organ of digestive system. It is a J-shaped organ, a thick muscular bag. It helps to churn our food and it is stomach. Okay, so we have unscrambled all the letters. We have seen the hints as well. Now let's write the correct spells for these organs. Now here are the correct spells of the organs. The first one, heart. Second, muscles. Third, kidney. Fourth, lungs. Fifth one, brain. And the last one, stomach. Okay, children, you must learn the spellings of all the organs. Not only this given here 6 organs, but all the organs and the organ systems, all the spellings you must learn thoroughly. Okay? To avoid the spelling mistakes while writing the answers. Now let's discuss the worksheet which is given on your page number 29. I have also given this as homework. Okay, let's discuss about this worksheet. Question number 1. Match the organs with their systems. On your left hand side, you are having 4 organs there: stomach, heart, brain and scale. On your right hand side, you are having the systems: circulatory system, nervous system, skeletal system and digestive system. That means, children, here you are supposed to match the organs with their systems, right? So let's start. Stomach is the organ of which system? Yes, it is a digestive system. So let's match. Heart is a part of which system? Circulatory system. Brain is a part of nervous system. So let's join. And now the last, skull. Skull is a part of skeletal system. So here we match all the organs with their respective systems. Okay. Now let's discuss the second question. Name the organ systems that help you to do the following things. First is the boy is playing football. Which systems help here? Yes, it's a muscular system as well as the skeletal system which help you in the movement. For next, the child is eating. So which system is helping over here? As I told, there are number of systems work together to perform particular activity. But here majorly we are going to speak about the digestive system. Okay, you can write the digestive system, or you can write along with digestive system, you can also write down the muscular system. Third picture. The girl is sweating and there is a sun in the sky. So, which organ system is helping over here? You can say here 2 organ systems are working. First is the excretory system. As the girl is sweating, it removes the skin is removing waste from the body in the form of sweat. And another system you can say that, yes, it is a which system? Nervous system, which actually tell the girl that it is so hot. Okay, skin. The brain is giving message to our nerves. Okay, so nervous system as well as our excretory system work together in this things. So that's it for today's lesson. Take care. Bye.